And it's surrounded with faith and it's beautiful dream. So congratulations to all of us.
Akalain mo, nakagraduate pa ako. Gusto kong matutunan itong mundo ng culinary. So, you never too old to learn something new. So, aral pa tayo.
Hello mga kachika! Talaga namang tuwang-tuwa nga si Miss Judy Ann Santos dahil napakabait nga daw sa kanya ng universe this year dahil nga after nga ng kanyang pagtanggap ng pagiging best actress sa kanyang pelikulang Espantajo ay naging star-studded at sold out naman ang kanyang first Angry Adobo Chef Night this 2025 na talaga namang ginakatuwa nga niya. At hindi pa nga natatapos doon dahil kahapon naman January 14, 2025 ay nagmarcha naman siya para nga sa kanyang graduation sa kanyang culinary studies sa CACS or Center for Asian Culinary Studies na talaga namang nakaka-proud nga dahil sa edad na 46 years old ay akalain mo nga daw na makakamarcha at makakagraduate nga daw siya. You're never too old to learn something new, ika nga. Halika at panoorin natin.
May graduation ako. Mag-marcha kami ni Mami Jen.
Tuloy pa kami ng brand pick.
Overdue na talaga to. Hindi pa kami nakaka-graduate kasi nag-pandemic na. Finally now that there's time, nagkataon may graduation. Nakamarcha na ako, natapos ko na kasi yung pro skills dito sa CACS. Eto na yun. This is my chance. What a good way to start 2025. Akalain mo na nga naman. Tara na. Ibang klase yung universe sa akin today.
Such good memories. Miss Judy Ann Santos.
Last time I graduated here at CACS was a long time ago, and then I decided to further my skills in cooking. Sabi nga ni Ryan, if you want to have beautiful, good memories in the rock and roll culinary school, CACS is the place to go. Kasi rock and roll talaga ang mga professors. It is this school that made me believe na I could actually do so much more apart from acting. The world of culinary is endless. Wala siyang corners, and it's surrounded with faith, and it's beautiful dream. So congratulations to all of us.
Akalain mo, nakagraduate pa ako. Iba rin. Ayan naman. Iba rin naman. Of course, I'm always grateful to my CACS family for always having my back here in the culinary world. Sila na naman talaga yun na very patient. Hanggang madaling araw nag-aaral kami because naniwala sila na gusto kong matutunan itong mundo ng culinary. So, you're never too old to learn something new. So, aral pa tayo some more. Yay! Graduate na ako at 46!
Anong masasabi niyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!